Welcome to Gear Grinders, your go-to source for the latest in motorcycle innovation. Today, we're excited to explore the 2025 Hero Xpulse 200, a bike designed to conquer both the city streets and off-road adventures. With its rugged build, modern features, and exceptional performance, the Xpulse 200 is ready to elevate your riding experience. Let's dive into what makes this versatile machine a standout in its segment. Design and styling. The 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 showcases a robust and dynamic design, perfect for riders who love exploring the great outdoors. Its sharp, aggressive lines are complemented by a tall stance, giving it an adventurous look. The lightweight frame and long travel suspension ensure stability and comfort on various terrains, from city roads to dirt trails. The stylish LED headlamp and updated graphics add a contemporary touch, making the Xpulse 200 a true head-turner. Performance and engine. Powering the Xpulse 200 is a 199.6cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine designed to deliver impressive power and torque. With its refined fuel injection system, the engine offers smooth throttle response, making it ideal for both urban commuting and off-road exploration. The engine's impressive fuel efficiency ensures long rides without frequent stops for refueling. Whether you're navigating city traffic or tackling rugged trails, the Xpulse 200 delivers consistent and reliable performance. Features and technology. The 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 is equipped with a range of advanced features that enhance comfort and safety. The fully digital instrument cluster provides essential ride information, including trip details and real-time fuel efficiency. The bike's long travel suspension system ensures a smooth ride even on rough roads, while the upgraded braking system offers excellent stopping power. Hero's focus on durability ensures that the Xpulse 200 can handle the challenges of both urban and off-road environments. Riding experience. The Xpulse 200 delivers an exciting and versatile riding experience. Its comfortable seat, ergonomic design, and responsive handling make it suitable for long rides and tough trails. The bike's high ground clearance and excellent suspension make it perfect for off-road adventures, while its nimble handling ensures easy maneuverability in city traffic. Whether you're exploring the countryside or navigating city streets, the Xpulse 200 offers a smooth and thrilling ride. Conclusion. The 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 is the ultimate blend of adventure, performance, and versatility. With its rugged design, powerful engine, and advanced features, this bike is ready to take on any challenge. If you're looking for a bike that offers both on-road and off-road capabilities, the Xpulse 200 is the perfect choice for you.